Have you ever thought why are you happy when you're hanging out, reading a book, visiting a new place, or exercising? Well, today we are going to talk about happiness and their chemical and biological approach. Happiness is a complex and multifaceted emotion that can be difficult to define. However, researchers generally agree that happiness is characterized by positive feelings such as joy, contentment, and satisfaction. From a biological perspective, happiness is associated with the release of certain chemicals in the brain, including dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins. These chemicals are commonly referred to as feel-good neurotransmitters. Dopamine, for example, is involved in brain's reward system and is associated with pleasure and motivation. Serotonin, on the other hand, helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. Oxytocin is sometimes called the love hormone because it is involved in social bonding and attachment. Finally, endorphins are natural painkillers that are released during exercise and other activities. Studies have shown that certain activities and behaviors can increase the release of these chemicals and lead to increased feelings of happiness. For example, exercising has been shown to increase endorphin release and improve mood. Socializing and spending time with loved ones can increase oxytocin release and foster feelings of connection and belonging. Furthermore, genetics also play a role in determining an individual's happiness level. Research has shown that a person's baseline level of happiness is partially determined by their genes, and that this level tends to remain relatively stable throughout their life. In addition to biological factors, there are also environmental and cultural factors that can influence happiness. For example, living in a supportive and stable community can foster feelings of belonging and security, while experiencing trauma or chronic stress can have negative effects on mental health and well-being. In conclusion, happiness is a complex emotion that is influenced by a variety of biological, environmental, and cultural factors. While certain behaviors and activities can increase the release of feel-good neurotransmitter in the brain, an individual's baseline levels of happiness is also partially determined by genetics. By understanding the biological and environmental factors that influence happiness, we can take steps to improve our own well-being and promote the happiness of those around us.